In this lecture, we are going to draw this isometric drawing from its orthographic view. First, active isometric drafting. Make sure ortho is on. Select line. Select first point. Give length of 100 mm, 15 mm, 14 mm, 11 mm, 10 mm, 100 mm. Close to this point. Escape. Now start from this point. Change the plane. Give length of 8 mm, 50 mm and 8 mm. Now start from this point, change the plane, give length of 50 mm, 42 mm. Now start from this point, give length of 50 mm, 25 mm, escape. Type ellipse command, type ISO for isocircle. Select this point, give radius of 25 mm. Type ellipse command, type ISO for isocircle. Again select this point, give radius of 12.5 mm. Select trim command, enter, trim all unnecessary parts. Type CO for copy command, select circle, enter, change the plane, give distance of 50 mm, escape. Select line, draw line from this quadrant sign to this quadrant sign. Select trim command, trim all unnecessary parts. Select line. Now start from this point, make ortho off, draw line to this quadrant. Type CO for copy command, select line, enter, give distance of 10 mm, escape. Now start from this point, make ortho on, give a distance of 40 mm and 50 mm. Select trim command, enter and trim all unnecessary parts. Now from this point, change the plane, draw a line to this point. Select trim command, enter and trim all unnecessary parts. Select line. Now draw this part. Now from this point, give a length of 15 mm. Change the plane, give a length of 15 mm, 20 mm. Change the plane, give a length of 14 mm, 20 mm and 14 mm. Escape. Now delete this line. Select line. Now from this point, change the plane, draw a line of 8 mm, change the plane, draw a line to this point. Now from this point, change the plane, draw a line to this point. Select trim, enter and trim all unnecessary parts. Select 3-point arc. Now draw a random arc from this point. Select trim command, enter, trim this part. So this is our final sketch.